This is not for your mouth, sis.
Princess, my angel, you're my lover, you're the one, you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we're gonna do something a little different, okay? I'm gonna be sharing with you some of my favorite feminine, personal, womanly products. But first things first, if you are new here,
First off, welcome.
all my old-time subbies, the congregation, the Rain Gang, Happy Curl Gang, welcome back, sis, for another video. So if you're new here, welcome, okay? This ain't my normal type of video. I like to kind of just, you know, kind of change things up every once in a while. I'm not always talking about hair. So I don't know if y'all know, but it's very important for me as a YouTuber, okay, to be relatable, to be genuine and myself at all times, and to be honest and educational at the same time. So with that being said, I wanted to do something a little bit different and I partnered up with NutraBlast. So since this is a feminine hygiene related video, I am going to talk about, just briefly, okay, Boric Life. Now, I've actually used Boric Life, so I was really excited when they reached out to me about partnering together and doing this collaboration. So a lot of people may not know about Boric Life. I was new to the game. My homegirl actually put me on to this maybe a year and a half ago. So Boric Life is an all-natural suppository that you can use to treat such vaginal issues, sis, okay, like yeast infections that are very common, intimate odor, okay, dryness, itching, bacterial vaginosis. It also supports your pH balance, and I don't know how often we talk about pH balance and the importance of having a vagina, okay, that is pH balance. I am so anti-antibiotics. Like, anybody who knows me knows I'm like anti-medicine, period. Like, I'll take me a good herb.
Oh my God, Brittany, were you thinking it? Yeah, well, you said it.
Not like that, okay? So not only does this treat and prevent such vaginal issues, it's also very cheap and it's online and available. So if you're someone who deals with, you know, vaginal issues, vaginal health issues, definitely go ahead and look into Boric Life and Boric Acid. It is a godsend. I'll leave the price and all the information down below. I got mine at Amazon.com. You can also get yours there as well. But I also actually talked to my gynecologist at that time and she actually recommended, said it was safe. Go ahead, girl, do what you do. And that's great because a lot of doctors will push antibiotics to you, but I have a really good, you know, gynecologist. It's about 30 suppositories. You do not take this. This is not for your mouth, sis. This is not for your mouth, sis. So this goes up your hoo-ha, your vagina. We're gonna use terms here. Y'all know I'm silly. So it also comes with the applicator. I personally did not use the applicator. I'm grown. I just, you know, put it up straight. So, but if you're not as comfortable, it does come with an applicator and you would go ahead and push it up, and you preferably would do this, sis, at night. I did not experience any type of cramping, none of that, because it's all natural. So what I did was I tested my pH for y'all. That's how much I love y'all. Cause listen, I'm a real, you know, private person and stuff. So this, you know, I'll be very honest. I was like, Jesus, because I gotta be honest, because you'll see it over my face. Okay, I was like, please, Lord, don't let this mess be, you know, just far off the grid. You know, we thank God on today. I was in the normal pH range.
Give yourselves a round of applause. You're so lovely. Everyone's so lovely. And while you're in the clapping mood,
there are so many reasons why your pH can be off. Perfume, sis, don't use nothing that is scented down below. You hear me, sis? Don't you do that. So I tested out each week, and I did mine in the morning. I don't know, just you know, with your normal morning routine. And mine was between 3.5 and 4.0. They also have a policy where it works or it's free. So you get your money back if it didn't work for you or if you weren't pleased with the product. So definitely check that out on Amazon. It's been like over, I think, 1,000 reviews on it and positive reviews at that. So it's just very important, you guys, to know your pH level because if your pH level is off, that can indicate an infection. It can actually indicate a lot of different things. So definitely talk to your gynecologist. And yeah, I'm here for the all natural life. My mom's the same way, I'm the same way. So I thought I would pass it along. So when they wanted to sponsor this video, I said, hey, Mom, thank you, Lord. Because, you know.
We get a coin with that.
I like it. All right.
Thank you so much to Work Life for sponsoring this video. Let's move on to the other products. So while we are still on the, you know, the topic of her, she, okay, I love Honey Pot. It's a plant-based feminine care wash. I have actually talked about this on my stories, not sponsored. I love the honey pot. I actually ran into it just weirdly in Target. I'm really here for packaging. This is kind of what sold me. It's pH balanced. The woman that made this actually suffered from BV, which is bacterial vaginosis for 8 months. She decided to make this product, and it's all natural again. I think it was a little bit more pricey. I don't like Summer's Eve and all those other type of products. I try to stick with as natural as I can. No shade, maybe a little bit, but whatever. So I also like the Neutrogena, the body clear body wash, pink grapefruit. I love the smell of grapefruit, and I love like this collection of the grapefruit. I used the face wash before. The little micro clear, micro bead technology that they have. I like it because it's not drying in my opinion, and if you do suffer from any body acne, I thankfully God do not. I just like the smell of it. I'll leave the price down below because I kind of forgot what it was, but I found mine at Target. Again, I use a face wash as well. So yeah, one of my favorite body washes a month. And then me and my daughter, we actually share this. It's an oil-free acne wash daily scrub. Again, like with the same technology, with the like the little buds and stuff in it. I like this because it's like a scrub. I like little mild scrubs on my face. I just feel like it's extra clean. A lot of people say that you know, this ain't for black people. It may not be, okay, but it works for me, and I feel like if something works for you, you know, and it works, okay? So, you know. So this is the Clay Detox Mask by Trader Joe's. It's a bentonite clay and kaolin earth clay. I actually ran into this. It came in 3. It's two other ones, like a pink and a yellow one. They were $10 for the whole for the whole thing at Trader Joe's, and I was intrigued. Thought I'd try it, and I love this a month. So listen, I don't care if we grown, okay? I am team, have you some wipes available, sis? There's no reason you should not have wipes sitting right next to your toilet, okay? I have these around, and I'm just to be very honest, you know, would you got to do it, not a number 1, but the other one. I like the Huggies Natural Care. I stuck with Huggies since my kid was a little baby, and I just try to find ones that are fragrance free. I actually, I'm gonna be honest, actually prefer another one as well, because it's just pure water and aloe vera. I do not use this on my hoo-ha. I love them. I think wipes are amazing when it comes to your hygiene. They work great. So if you do not know about TJ Maxx's and Marshall's, get your skincare from there, okay? Like high-end, you know, type of skincare related things are there and for cheaper. So I love this Oil Essentials, a brightening vitamin C beauty oil. As with avocado oil, my skin, my hair, everything loves avocado oil. It's supposed to brighten and nourish. So I use this at night. I am like pretty much almost done, but it has a little curvaceous thing in my thing right here, and do 3, 4, rub it in at night, and I love to sleep with it. I don't really wear it in the day because I get oily, so I don't want the oil. I tried to use it underneath my makeup, and I just was like, no, this ain't gonna do it. Just not gonna do it. This has definitely been one of my staples. It's actually my 2nd bottle. I think I used too much. That's probably what it is. I used too much. But there's also one by Urban Skin RX that I love as well. I love beauty oils. I don't know. I be watching Jackie too much. That's what it is. Another thing that I love is this Aceology. Okay, they happen to send me some products like for stretch marks, skin chafing. And I was like, wait a minute, just because I'm thick don't mean my skin chafe. But you know, I was like, let me not be sensitive or whatever. But they also had this in here. It's the overnight lip mask. Oh, when I tell y'all, this stuff is amazing. It's like a Vaseline, but it's more like just better. It's just better. It's better. I don't know how else to describe. And it's perfect. It's perfect for traveling. Just amazing. It's just awesome. Yeah. So next is the Micellar Water. Oh my god. It was some YouTuber, some influencer that influenced me, okay? And I went and got this. I don't know if it was Jackie. It was somebody. It got me. I didn't got. This is the all-in-one waterproof by Garnier. Oh my god. Okay, so what happened was I accidentally bought some waterproof mascara. I don't wear waterproof, okay? It's the reason. I ain't got time to be scrubbing like that. You know what I mean? I went to wash my face. I'm like, bruh, this is not coming up. So I got a little nervous, like, Jesus. I reached for some of this bad boy. I have a bigger one in my cabinet, and I reached for it, took it right off. I said, oh, come on, Jesus. I still need to wash my face after this. As you can see, this is a travel one. Look where I'm at. Sis, don't you play. And Dove. I love Dove. Dove is just awesome to me. Like, I use the Advanced Care Clear Tone by Dove deodorant. It's amazing. I mean, I like to stick to natural. This isn't all natural because it does have the aluminum in it. So be very mindful of that. I don't use it at night. I only use it when I'm going somewhere because I don't get funky like that. I'm just gonna be honest. I can't control, you know, how God chose to bless me. Okay, I just.
Why you always lying? Oh my God.
I was surprised by this fragrance. Now, this is the Kindred Goods Pink Poppy and Star Fruit. I found this at Old Navy. And I was standing in line. They get you like that. You know, you in line, it's all the little goodies while you waiting. I looked over, I said, that's real cute. I like real simple looking things. Oh, come on, Jesus. Make a way. Father, fell in love. It was like $12. I said, I gotta get this. So I really love Old Navy's scents, and it really does last and linger, which I like. You know what I mean? You always want to smell good. You know what I'm saying? So I also want to talk about panty liners really quick. I'm very, very big on using organic cotton, and I like these. I came across these at CVS. This is the Safe Not Synthetic line, Organic Initiative. Yeah, okay. Really like it. They're just very simple, no scent, all that. So I like this brand a lot, and I thought I would include it in this video. Again, got mine from CVS, and yeah, it works well. Does what it needs to do. Amen. I also love my little nighttime soothing wipes. I don't mind doing off-brand things as long as it says that it compares to something, because I've noticed when I use other ones, they don't wipe nothing off. I'm like, what did you do? This is compared to the Neutrogena. I actually got mine at Big Lots, and I was a little skeptical because I've experienced ones that just don't work as well as the name brand ones. But this one by Epio works amazing. Takes waterproof mascara off. As you can see, like, I've been using this bad boy up. And last but not least, this is the Hothead Lavender Relaxation Spritzer. This is so amazing. I got this with my Hothead. Now, if you don't know what a Hothead is, sis, I spritz this on my pillow and my sheets, and it smells so good. Lavender obviously is to relax you, calm you, and this is so awesome. I always use it on my pillows. I put it in my scarf, just like when I'm getting ready to go to sleep, set the tone, and just to relax and all that good stuff. So this, any type of relaxation spritzer, I'm all for it, especially if it's lavender. I love the smell of lavender. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was fun. I hope you learned something. I hope you laughed. I like to kind of switch things up every once in a while. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.